Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great and taking good care of yourselves. Today I have with me this bat by SF. The product name is Almandus 7500. Now this bat is priced at 8,550 rupees. I have received this bat courtesy SCS Sports, that is Selection Center Sports, which is located in Mumbai at Andheri and even at Dhobi Talao. So if you are a resident of Mumbai, you can definitely check for this bat with them, and they provide special discounts on their cricketing gear or within the range of 25 to 30%. Now cricketing gear, I mean cricketing bats. That is what I know of. I have been purchasing my bats from them, and they've been very kind to provide me with these bats so that I can share the knowledge and the product with you so that you can understand what this bat is all about. As you can see, it's a very straightforward and a simple looking bat. It's not very crazy in terms of the colors. It's a black sticker with some silver outlines to it, and just straight away placed onto the bat, which is a nice beautiful light colored willow. As you can see, this is an English willow. Now this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grains. As you can see, slight blemishes over here, couple of knots, but nothing very disturbing. Now as you must be aware that whenever you're looking for bats, these are certain basics that one is required to look at. The straighter the grains, the better it is in terms of it holding up throughout the sessions and not giving off or not breaking. The straighter the grains, the better it is, because if the grains are a little angular, especially on the corners or rather the edges, if you end up edging the ball, there is a possibility that you may end up chipping your bat from there. But this, as you can see, there isn't any crazy grains on the edge. There is one over here, but I don't see it to be very disturbing as such, because again at the same time you would want to also look at what happens on the sides. On the sides again there aren't any knots and no blemishes on either side, as you can see, as a bat as a whole. Now if you can see on the back side of the bat, there is an autograph by Siddharth Lad, Mumbai. Now this I believe is probably on this bat, I'm not very sure. If you look at the bat from the side, it is nice and chunky. As you can see, it's nice, it's got nice good wood and slightly on the upper side. As you can see, if you are one of those who likes to play a little bit on the rise, if you're not driving as much and you're playing it a little bit on the rise, or if you are a person who likes to play slightly on the back foot, probably taking your pull shots or cutting the ball or just punching it on the rise, this bat probably is going to be the right one for you, because the weight distribution or the chunk of the wood is slightly on the higher side over here. As you can see, as opposed to being on the lower side, it's on the higher side over here of the bat, which is kind of little above from the sweet spot, which typically is over here. Your sweet spot tends to be over here. Now the weight distribution is slightly further up over here, so this area also will play very good if you are that kind of a player. And the weight of this bat, as I mentioned, is 1170 grams. Nice and light. It feels very good on the pickup. The pickup is very nice. So if you're someone who likes to probably use the lighter bat, this comes across as a good bat. Nice. And even the handle for that matter, it's nice and just about right. It feels good in your grip. If you're holding it, it feels nice and strong and very secured in your grip if you're holding it. So as a complete bat, this bat also comes across as very nice. Again, every bat is about the individual feel. I mean, you may find something nice about a bat, the way you would pick it up. That's not necessary, it would be the same for others as well. So for me, I prefer lighter bats. So these kind of bats feel really nice and good when I'm holding it. So this definitely fits into that zone that I would personally like to have. Now if we were to look at the ping of the bat, let's do that as well. As you can see, it's got a beautiful ping, I must say that. Oh, look at this. It feels nice right in that spot that I was talking to you about. It feels really good over here. See that? So if you were to ask me, this is a very nice bat. Trust me, I would love to just go out there and start going with this. This feels really nice and good. Now one more thing that I would like to share about the bat is the color of the bat. As you can see, it's just one tone. There's no mixture of a dark or a light color. It's just one color. As you can see, it's nice, not completely very light, but just about there, just about when it's kind of aging and slightly becoming old. So it's just that right blend, I feel, wherein your bat is not very soft and not very hard as well. And the ping, yes, we did have a look at the ping of the bat as well. So on and all, the Almandus or the Almandus 7000, it's slightly difficult to pronounce though, by SF is a nice and a good bat, priced at 8,550 rupees. Now you can get this at a discounted price from SCS. Do check it up if you are in Mumbai. So this was my video about SF Amandus 7500. If you liked it, please go ahead and hit the like button. And if you haven't already subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much and take good care. And sorry, I'm sweating over here because my friend who's taking care of the camera shots has completely switched off the AC and the fans in the room, and I'm going through this. Please excuse me for this. Thank you so much.